Good morning, traders, and welcome to another Forex morning briefing session. Today is Tuesday. It is March 11th, 2014, and it is 9 a.m. Eastern Time. We're going to start by taking a look at the euro-dollar currency pair, and right here in front of us we have the 4-hour chart. And as you can see right here, it has been uptrending for quite a while right now. And for the last two trading sessions, it has been stabilizing right here into this area, creating support. And as you can see, all right, let me just refresh the chart real quick. All right, and as you can see, it's trying to form support right here at 3850, which is a fulcrum area. It's traded quite below today. As you can see right here in today's trading session, it just crossed over yesterday's, so previous day's low right here, making a new low and a new support level at 1.3820. And like we spoke about yesterday in the coaching session and as well in the morning briefing, there is a secondary level of support right here at 3820, which is a fulcrum area as well, and any pullback is possible up to this level. So if this level is not going to hold, then we're going to enter a much larger tradable void up to 1.3790, 1.3739, and even 1.3700. So these are going to be the game changers for the euro dollar. So far, you could see the price action right here, trading at the fulcrum level of 1.3850 level. It is holding support as of right now. It's trading within that area. If we're going to get a break above 1.3880, then we have odds of continuing higher into this previous high at 1.3916. All right, so let's switch to the pound dollar, and let me just take some lines off these charts real quick right here. These were on since yesterday's coaching session. All right, so like I've mentioned earlier, and you can see right here, the price action that continued throughout the day yesterday in the pound dollar, testing support level at the whole number of 1.6600. And as you can see right here, when we were looking at this currency pair, we were looking at the 1.6700 level, and it was maintaining this first support level. It fell into the secondary support level, and right here, it is the key area. It is the line in the sand. If we're not going to hold this area of 1.6660, then we're going to enter into much larger tradable void, and the next areas to be tested are going to be 6500 and 6400. So this is a quite large tradable void. So remember, this is still a bullish base that is going on right now right here with support level at 1.6600, and we do have resistance right here at 1.6784. And now we're going to switch to the euro yen currency pair. We're going to take a quick look at that. And as you can see right here, it is still holding this 143 level. I'm going to take this line right here. It was there to mark this whole number area, 143.00. As you can see, it's still lingering here. A lot of strength into yesterday, made a new high right here in yesterday's trading session at 143.77. It pulled back mildly, forming secondary support level and testing it right here at 142.80, also a fulcrum level. And we do have a secondary level of support at 142.50. So the game plan with this is that if we're not going to get if we're going to get a pullback, and if we're going to test the 142.50 area, then chances are we're going to get a much steeper pullback into the 141.30 level, and this is for short and medium term as well. If we're going to get a pop over 143.77, this could be a trade alert for higher, and this can actually potentially send the euro yen higher into the 144 and even test the 145 level. So it's still holding very bullishly right here. Like I said, the support level 142.80 is holding really well. But if we're going to get a break of this level, expect a pullback into the 142.50 and then a much steeper pullback into the 141.29. Let's take a look at the dollar yen. It was grinding nicely last night, and I'm going to take this trend line right here because we do have a descending trend line from a major time frame. But I want everybody to observe what is going on right now. So we just did a major breakout of a really sloppy wide channel in this currency pair. We popped a little higher. You can see right here we marked the high very close to the 104 number, actually 103.80. and we pulled back, and we're still grinding higher right here. Nevertheless, we have minor support at 102.75, and we have a secondary level of support marked by yesterday's low right here at 102.96, very close to the whole number. So 103, we're going to consider 103 the major support area right here for this currency pair. So if we're going to trade lower, chances are it's going to slip in to this wide range channel once again. But the fact that it's consolidating bullishly above this channel right here, it does have a lot of strength, and it does look like it wants to pop higher. So the key focal area for today is going to be 103.40. If we're going to get a break above that, we're going to continue the trajectory higher to this previous high, 103.70, 103.76, 104, and trajectory to medium and long term into 105. We're going to take a look at the Aussie dollar right here, and we have a tug of war going on right now. We have the key level marked and support level right here at 0.90. It is a key price, a key exchange price for this currency pair for the Aussie dollar, the 90-cent area. If we're going to trade below this 90-cent area, we're going to get propelled lower into much larger, much steeper tradable void into the 8900 for just about 100 pip lower. Right now we're holding, we're holding the support level right here at the right above the 90-cent area. We have resistance right here from Sunday at 90.61. And also we have a high of 0.9130 right here. So if we're going to get a pop, remember, this is going to have to be with confirmation. We do have a change of trend that occur on the daily chart in the Aussie dollar. So if we're going to get a pop over 0.9060, you can keep a stop under this support level of 90 cents and then look for a first target into the 9130 area and 9150 and 92 areas. And the last currency pair for today that we're going to take a look at is the dollar, US dollar, Canadian dollar. It is trading in a very sloppy manner, as you can see right here. Let me just refresh the chart real quick. All right, so you can see right here a lot of chop, a lot of slop, nothing going on right here. But if we're going to get a correction into the 1187 area, and we're going to get a test below this, this can send it lower into the 0.0950 area. Remember, for a long for this currency pair, we need a lot of confirmation for price. So it is really, really sloppy. So a long can occur right here if we're going to trade above only 1.1160. So not a lot going on for this for the dollar, Canadian dollar. So super sloppy as of right now. Thank you so much for listening today. Don't forget to visit us online. It is facebook.com/tradeoutloud. We post a lot of trade ideas and charts there as well. Remember to subscribe to this channel, guys. You're going to get updates every day, morning briefing for Forex and for equities, for swing trading and day trading as well. Remember to visit us online. It is tradeoutloud.com, and follow us on Twitter, twitter.com/OnComEdCamp. This was all for today. See you all tomorrow.